Hello students, I am your teacher from the Genius Squad and today we are going to learn a very interesting topic. But before heading on to that, just tell me, how do you think these plants grow up without having mouths? That's an interesting question. So let us see how that magic happens. That magic is called the photosynthesis. Yes, you heard it right. The plants grow without having mouth with the help of photosynthesis. And the plants act like the tiny master chefs here. Now let us see how all this actually happens. But before that, what exactly is this magic? So what is photosynthesis? So let us understand it part by part. The word photosynthesis, this is actually a combination of two words, photo plus synthesis. Now, these Greek words, what does the word photo means? The word photo means light and the word synthesis means putting together, or you can say creating something. So now that means photosynthesis sounds something like creating something with the help of light, as you can see in this picture also, isn't it? So let us put it all together. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which the green plants make their food and obviously grow with the help of sunlight, using sunlight. Here we come up to another definition, and what is that? Photosynthesis is the process by which the green plants convert the light energy from the sun into chemical energy. Okay, now what is this chemical energy? So let us see that. So students, just see this very beautiful plant. Now what is happening? This plant is taking in CO2. CO2 is the carbon dioxide and H2O, the water. The plant is taking CO2 from the atmosphere, as you can see, and the water from the soil, obviously with the help of roots. And under this sunlight, this CO2 and water, they combine and the plant is able to grow. Why? Because it prepares the food glucose or sugar, which is what? C6H12O6, and along with that it is also releasing out some oxygen for us to have some deep breaths, right? Okay, now we were talking about chemical energy. Let us understand that with the help of a chemical equation. So students, see, this is the photosynthesis recipe going on inside the green plant. So what happens, students? When carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, CO2 and water from the soil with the help of roots is taken up by the green plants, and in the presence of some sunshine, which is the light energy, inside a leaf. Now, why inside a leaf? Because this whole photosynthesis is happening in the leaf, which are called the kitchen of the plant. These are called the kitchen of the plant. So all this is happening in the kitchen of the plant, obviously, okay? So in this way, when these elements are combining in the presence of light energy, it's getting changed into the food. And what is this food? This food is none other than the glucose. Yes, the sugar which you eat, not the refined one, the sugar which you eat when you are low on energy. So that's called glucose. This is C6H12O6, and this glucose, students, actually is what is none other than, in this glucose, the chemical energy is stored. Energy is stored in this chemical compound. That is how we can say the light energy gets changed into chemical energy. Also, students, that gets us to the answer of the first question, that how the plants are able to grow without having mouth. So it is because they are able to make up this sugar glucose, and they use this glucose to grow, and they not only make food for themselves but for us as well, as you know very well, and also along with that they release oxygen. So see, this photosynthesis process is so useful to us. They not only provide food for the plants but for the well-being of the entire earth, and also release oxygen, which is very important for survival. So let us do a quick recap. What is a photosynthesis? It is a magical process wherein the light energy gets changed into chemical energy, or we can say the plant with the help of light energy is able to make up its food. Okay, students, so that was all about the magic of photosynthesis. Thank you so much. And for more such educational videos, please subscribe to our channel, The Genius Squad, and also refer to our special courses. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.